Welcome back. Well, in continuation with the ambulance video, I decided to take another video. Yep, it's a police truck, right? It belongs to the Pulaski County Sheriff's Department. In fact, I never took a video of one of their police trucks before. I did take a video of a couple of their police cars. You guys might remember. Go back to some of the videos I took of their police car in 2018 and 2019 and 2020. Don't forget 2020. But this is a pretty nice truck. Ford F-150. 2019 Ford F-150. Pretty cool looking, isn't it? Unit 184. Pulaski County Sheriff's Department. Apparently there's no light bar on the top. Looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Nice truck. A really nice truck. I love it. I love the color scheme on it. That's nice. Very nice truck, guys. Yeah, I'll tell you what, it's a very nice truck. Pretty cool looking truck. You can see they got the work box back there. That's where they keep all their police gear. Sheriff Patrol. Unit 339. Dial 911. Here's a look in the bed. Nice. The toolbox again. It's a pretty truck, isn't it, guys? And you can see the inside there. Pretty nice. And the back windows are tinted, so you can hardly see in the back. But very nice, right? Pretty cool. Very nice truck. Alright, you guys take care. I will catch you later.